I am a metal fabricator and designer. One of my favorite things about my job is being able to create and build things. Fabrication is not just welding stuff together, it's layout, it's being able to modify the metals, shape them to fit what you need. The main thing that we produce in our shop is substation equipment. So the poles, the switch frames, a lot of the substation construction. On top of just building them, we also go out and modify them. So that helps so that with all of the construction of all the houses and businesses coming into our state, we have to stay ahead of the game to make sure that customers get power when they need it. There's a lot of things that we do outside of the substations. When power poles go down, we go out and help the construction crew to put everything back together. We also do a lot of things like work on vehicles. Everything that we do in our shop has to do with reliability and customer service. Everything that we produce is to make sure that your lights stay on.